Hello, I'm your host, Tim McCann. It's December 28th, 2020. We've been called out to go to another Beaver County road. This one's called Paradise Road, SR 4041. This is a one-lane closure, or an OLC, as I like to call them. So that's an 8 B-light setup. So that's 6 amber, 2 red, 16 vertical panels, and 8 C lights. Shouldn't take too long, probably about an hour, maybe less. I got to set the vertical panels up by myself, so that definitely will take a little extra time. Other than that, I think it should be a pretty good day. Overcast today, it's 38 degrees, a little bit warmer today. Yeah, so I'll see you when we get there. Alright, there's our signs. Get our lights on. There's the first sign, roadwork ahead. The signs say roadwork ahead, 1 lane road ahead, stop ahead, and then stop. And then I'm gonna have to set up some vertical panels to tell people this is the part of the road they're not allowed to drive on, and they have to turn, go towards the other lane, and then come back into their lane. So I'm sure some of you noticed I changed my jacket just like Mr. Rogers does, because you gotta be safe on the side of the road. So here's what we have to set up. Not that much. Smaller job, and I'll take it for December. Come up here, have ourselves amber. Make sure he's flashing real good. Oh yeah. And we're gonna come up here. 1 down. 7 more to go. 5 more to go. I made a mistake on that last one. This one here is 5 more to go. The last one was 6 more to go. Real big one. Here we are at the first red. Put a cap washer on these so that they can't be stolen. You see how that makes it more difficult to try and get a pair of pliers in there. I didn't say it on the last one, but that was 4 more, and now we have 3 more. 3 more to go. The appropriate hard one. Ah! Some of my washers are thinner than others. So this is our last sign, the stop sign. Put this last B light on this last sign, and then we'll get started on setting up the vertical panels. Now I'm going to pull forward, unload all these vertical panel bases, and kind of guess where they want me to put this, because I didn't mark anything out or anything. So let's go take a look. It would appear that the water runs down that hillside, over that driveway, onto the road, and then it has to go somewhere. So just pulling the guide rail away from the earth. If you hit that with your car, that would be pretty painful. We're going to start our first panel about there on that crack, and then work our way diagonally from the stop sign. And then we'll go about down to my truck and then curve in to the right hand side of the bumper. We're all finished. It says that time lapse was only 19 seconds. It actually took me 19 minutes. Not too bad. Everybody's set up, looks real nice. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to Bob. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for your help, and I'm glad I could teach you something. Hope you enjoyed yourself, and I'll see you next time.